welcome back to Marcus and Dylan. Today I will be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball. Is this making?
Swim.
Swim. A hat.
Oh, swim.
Chew. Sniff. Are you okay? I don't know. Chew. I cannot stop. Chew. Easy. Uh-oh. What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry, but if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye, Gerald. See ya. Are you okay, Gerald? I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. So, I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I don't think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. And the pigeon is right here. Marcus, would you like to say the line again?
What one? Oh yeah, make sure to like and subscribe.